All right. So we want to turn this over now to Rebecca. Rebecca has had some great success with Tupper Live. Where's Rebecca? There she is. So, Rebecca, I just want to talk to you a little bit. Tell me what you're doing with Tupper Live and why you like it.
I think it is fun. You get to learn different ways different people do sell their Tupperware. You get different word choices, different. Nobody's the same. So, like, I may learn from doing something, you may learn from reading something. So, we all learn different. So, with Tupper Live, you're seeing a different people, different trainers, and it's just fun. The excitement of everybody on there, like, it's just, and seeing the different people all over United States, Canada, that's just amazing to me. I'm like talking to somebody in Canada or you're talking to somebody in Texas. So that is just fun, fun, fun. So that is my number one reason of watching the Tupper Live. And because of that excitement, I love to invite people to join. Um, I have been only having like two or three people, but the other night for Bonnie, I had 15 people join the Tupper Live.
What? 15 people? How do
Now
you get 15 people on? Tell us.
well, you do a little bribe. You be like, take a screenshot of your being on Tupper Live. And all they gotta do is take their phone or take a little picture and post it. And when they post it, ask them, what did you like? What? And when they do that, guess what? You can bribe them. You can give them whatever you have. And let me tell you, we all have a chance usually to win some Pam swag, and Pam swag works out wonderful for little gifts to send to people. If it's the stickers or it's the just little bowls she sends, whatever. It's fun and they love it. And it really, really doesn't cost that much to send, maybe $4 or $5. Now, I did last week for Bonnie's, and I told everybody that she's my Facebook friend and she sells, and Modular Mates is what made me come to Tupperware. So you want to watch this. So I had all these people on there watching. And do I try to be salesy about it? No, I'm not. I want them to get on there and learn something and come back and tell the group, like, and tell them what they've learned. And it is amazing because I missed something the other night on Bonnie's thing that other people brought to the group. And then we had a whole conversation of some ladies like, I need to join that. She's like, I forget every time. So now I know, hey, I have to personally send her a thing like 10 minutes before and say, hey, don't forget to jump on. So just ask your friends, but be excited about it. Like half hour before I got on my group and I was like, come on, guys, make sure you jump on, make sure you take your pictures. So, and I did had it all wrapped up, a cute little modular mate oval one that had a white seal from a couple years ago. I put it in a because this month on my VIP group it's a winter theme, so I had a snowflake treat bag. I put it in there, and I did use curling ribbon and tied a little bow on it, but I made it look cute. And I'm like, guys, this is an exclusive. They don't sell this right now. You want this? So, and the lady that won it actually was so excited. And then she came back and she said, Bonnie said I could use that for my baking soda and my cookies won't taste like my cupboard.
That's right.
So that was another thing that somebody said that I didn't have to go back and be like, me selling. My actual VIP group are selling it to other people in the and be excited. Like I actually have a friend of mine that's an RN at a group with memory loss, and she says at 8:30 at night she needs them to be calming down at night. So she plugs her computer into the TV and they sat there watching it. And she said she has a 98-year-old lady that said she sold Tupperware and she met Mrs. Wise. And she was so excited.
Oh,
She says, I have no
wonderful.
idea if she did or not because but I said, if she remembers something like that, she probably did.
Yeah. Brownie was at
So,
the meetings all the time, the big jubilees. Absolutely. I can believe that. I knew people
so
that
I
knew Brownie
said,
Wise.
that was just great. And she said, it just was funny to listen to them. It was a story
Absolutely.
that brought other people involved talking. So just get your group to talk about it. Ask them
That's right.
questions about it. They'll join, especially if you bribe them with little gifts.
Yes. And the fact is, you know what? When somebody says, I need a piece of Tupperware, they're thinking Tupperware, you know who they're going to think about? They're going to think about you, right? You are their Tupperware lady. That's awesome. Okay. Thank you so much. So I love the way you got people on. I love the fact that this woman used this to help her group um, wind down in the evening. That's just a beautiful story. And I just am so excited about your success with Tupper Live. And thank you so much. Now, I want to encourage people. Do you, every single Tupper Live that you invite people to, do you get on every one of them or are you send out that invite? And how do you get people in there to make their choices about Tupper Live?
I have not been on to everyone. I try to get on maybe for a minute or two, but I can't be on everyone. And I will let people know, like, I'm not going to be on tonight, but make sure you get on, take your screenshot so we can have our little drawing the next night.
Yeah,
Um,
that's
so
so brilliant.
just I keep consistent with it. Keep
Very good.
so
And so you're posting it every single Tupper Live you post in your VIP group?
right. And
Excellent.
if I can't be on in a half hour, I record it. So it's gonna, and then I put it in the scheduling for a half hour to pop on to remind them.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
All right. This is wonderful news. Everybody, give her a hand.